Hey family, look, I know you guys are busy. I know you guys are busy. You're in there cooking, you could be asleep, or you could just be waking up, get ready to fix breakfast for the entire family. But I'm just going to give you 5 things that you can use naturally because everybody's cooking. So I just want to show you 5 things you can use to quickly help those cuts, scrapes, burns, whatever issue you had in the kitchen or last night, or just for the future. Just natural things you can use that you may have in your kitchen. Maybe like 2 items you may not have in your kitchen, but you may want to get it. Or you could have it in your herbal medicine cabinet. But all right. So let me show you. Okay, so I know everybody's in here cooking, so I'm gonna show you just 5 things that you can do when you have accidents in the kitchen. Because look, I know everybody's cooking. I know I said that already, but I just wanted to show you just 5 things that you can use, natural things, all natural things you can use to, you know, if you got any cuts, wounds, scrapes, burns. I just want to show you something that you can do. And all things that I'm always talking about is that garlic. You can just take this garlic, chop it up, and look, it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn. So what you want to do is you chop it up, crush it. If you got a grater, you can just take the garlic and let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Even 2 minutes. Just a little allicin, because the allicin in there is the powerful substance that you want to treat the wound that's open. Because you want to do is stop the bleeding. Yes, one thing you can use. The next thing you can use is aloe vera. You could take some aloe vera gel, and it's good for those burns. You know how easy it is we take stuff out the oven and burn ourselves. So that's the second thing you use. Just apply it right on there. And some people, look, if you have problems with the garlic, if you want, you could put a carrier, put a little famous coconut oil. I know everybody, to show you real quick, but look, coconut oil. Just make sure that you take the coconut and just put it directly. Those cuts, scrapes, burns. Look, coconut oil ease pains. Because the main thing we want to do is just stop infection. We don't want any infection. We want to make sure that we take care of it quickly. I know how like we get that burn and you don't want no scars, but this coconut help with scarring. So there you had. Okay, so the next one, same as the garlic, but the allicin, you have the onion. Everybody be sleeping on your onion. It all depends on if you have the white onion, the yellow onion, or the purple onion. These are best for just stopping infection at bay, keeping at bay, because you don't want things to get infected. Sometimes we have a dirty knife, or sometimes we like cross-contaminate. This is the main reason why it's good to treat. And look, what's all natural than an onion? Everybody be sleeping on onions. Don't sleep on them onions. And all you got to do is you can either chop the grated, whatever, you can juice it, take the juice, but you just rub the onion directly on the wound or the burn or the scrape, whatever you did in the kitchen. Get the onion. See, like I told you, things that you already have in your kitchen that you can use. Or the final thing is oregano oil. I'm going to show you that real quick. But, you can use oregano oil, kills infections. Everybody be thinking oregano is all just for one thing. Look, stop infections. So there you got 5 things to help with all those cuts, scrapes, burns, and all those things that you had during this holiday. So there you have it. 5 all natural remedies that you can use to correct those issues that you had, cooking. Some people are first time cooking. Some people, somebody probably distracted them and they came in the kitchen and bumped grandma, bumped auntie, and they got a bruise or got a burn. So those are things you can use. All right, family. Enjoy. Peace.